All right, 4th of July weekend 2016, getting ready to head off. It's Saturday morning. We're going up to Jamestown, New York today. Not a real long ride, but should be fun. Hope you enjoy it. Just crossed over the state line into Pennsylvania. Got about 200 miles left to go before our first scheduled stop of the day, aside from having to get fuel in between here and there. But weather looks great. Looking forward to riding today. Stopped here in Phillipsburg, PA to get some fuel and use the restroom real quick. I think we've got a little less than 100 miles left to go until our first real stop of the day. So been a little chilly so far, but still been a pretty good ride.
Lucille home.
Usted no me tiene que hacer correr bonito ese que no lo hago bien.
How dare you say that to me?
What did I say?
I don't know, but how dare you?
I'll show you who gives instruction in this family. Mira que me decir a mí que yo no sé hablar inglés cuando lo he estudiado perfectamente en todas las universidades. Muchísimos años. Yo lo hablo mejor que toda la gente que está sentada en la mesa aquí. And whenever you're ready to call me and apologize, you can call me down on the truck.
Don't hold your breath.
Really good day of riding today. I have to say the Zippo Museum was actually a lot cooler than I thought it was going to be, but the I Love Lucy Museum, awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed that part of the video. We're in the hotel room for the night. Probably go get something to eat here in a little bit, but I doubt I'm going to be doing too much more ride today. Got some cool stuff planned for tomorrow. Talk to you guys again soon.
Well, I'm
it again. Like a